Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is July the 16th, 2023. Here to talk about Ford stock today because somebody has been dumping Ford in the market. They're trying to take profit, or if anything, they're trying to quell their losses. They're trying to reduce the losses that so many people may be in, especially if they were short Ford stock. Yeah, they may be trying to hurry up and get out their position. Let's talk about it. You guys can see it. Yep. I did a price prediction in Ford all the way back on June the 9th, 2023. Here it is. Here it is today. From June the 6th to June the 29th, 10.38%. I told you all then, back in the beginning of June, that market was bullish and that we was going to look for the price to go up. Here it is today. You guys can actually tell at our location of our ultimate TP price that the market is getting hung up though. Like, we're not seeing that bullish action anymore. The market is simply trading here. Why is that the case? Because, like I told you, someone is dumping their Ford here. And currently, it is still showing that the interest and demand is still present, which means that the buyers are still buying at this price level, right there around $15 in Ford. For us to drop another bullish price prediction, we need to continue to see price do that. We need to continue to see the buyers hold price in Ford up there around 15. So let's do this. We're going to clean up this chart. Okay, we definitely love the price action in Ford. Like, if you guys really do not know what a trading channel looks like, take a look at Ford. This market is completely in a trading channel and it's clean. You guys can see that market has confirmed $11 numerous times as support. We also hit resistance at $14, and now market may actually hit some resistance around 16. This is clean. Okay. So let's look at Ford real quick on a two-day chart. And we're currently, you guys can see it is trending. But like I told you earlier, someone is dumping their stock here in Ford that the market currently is breaking that trend line. Once price breaks the trend line, you have to pay attention, because that once momentum, it is shifting, it's changing. And here it is on the two-day chart. We are no longer trending higher. We're breaking that trend. So we have to prepare ourselves as the market continues to transition over from being in a trend of ascension to being in a trend of a potential descending trend. Here is Ford on a 3-day chart. Okay, guys can see it there. Last 3-day price bar definitely is indicative of selling coming in. Here it is on the 5-day chart. The 5-day chart, take a look at this. This market in Ford is getting rejected right there. Look at all of these. Well, not all of these. Look at these 3 5-day price bars right here. Isn't it crazy how the market in Ford over the last 15 days. Now get it, this has been 15 days of trading on each of these 3 5-day price bars. And you're trying to tell me, out of all of that time, out of all of the trades, out of all of the buys that has occurred into the market in Ford, that price was unable to crack above $15.45? Really? Especially after we saw this 5-day price bar give us an indicator of strength. We should have seen, with no issues, price in Ford break above that level, but it didn't. Wow. See, the chart always gives you information and clues that you need to understand. So even though we did see this strength bar, right, it doesn't mean that you go all in, because the last 10 days, we're not getting the follow through. We're supposed to see the market go higher once we see this indicator. We're supposed to. But the moment that you don't see it, you got to say, all right, cool. You're not going to trick me, because I already can tell where the problems are. So in Ford, if you're looking for the market to be bullish, we have to see the market break $15.45. Here it is on the weekly. Okay, again, we have this massive indicator of strength on the weekly time frame. It's been 2 weeks since this indicator was created. 2 weeks. And you're trying to tell me that we're still unable to see the market in forward break above that level? Now, I will give the buyers credit because they're holding price. They're just not able to move the market though. They've been buying forward in hopes to see the market break above 1550, but they're just not successful yet. What about on the 2 weeks? Okay. Take a look at this on the 2-weekly chart. So, very good indicator of strength right there. The next 2 weeks, you're trying to tell me that the spread of forward went as low as $14.83 to a high of $15.42 on about the same amount of volume as the previous 2 weeks? Why is this spread so much smaller than the previous 2 weeks, but the volume is about the same? Is it because buyers are here and they're buying forward because they know in the next couple of weeks price is going to be a lot higher than where it is now? Or do you think the buyers left and that the next 2 weeks price is going to continue to crash? How can we figure this out? The only way that we can figure this out is if we look at forward stock on the hourly time frame. This monthly price bar forward definitely is bullish. See, when you look at multiple time frames in forward, you kind of see that even though price is getting rejected at $15.50 right now, but on the longer time frames, we're still seeing strength created. Which, if I see strength on the hourly chart, that definitely tells me that the market here in forward is buying. Okay. This is forward on a 7-hour chart. Here's forward on the 5-hour chart. Do you see any indicators of strength? Do you think the market is buying? Look at this on the 3-hour. Okay. I think you guys can tell, if anything, where the buyers will have to show up. Can you see it? This is where they need to hold the price. Definitely no lower than 1450. Okay. They need to do that. Take a look on the 1 hour. How do you think? I think price on the hourly chart, 330-minute chart, it is still weak. I think the market is still going to go lower, but it's going to test a couple of areas to see if buyers are going to step back in. That first area of testing to me look like it's going to be here. Okay. This is going to be that first area of test, around $14.85. My second test, if the buyers don't show up at $14.80, it's going to be here at this second area of $14.50. And then the third test for the buyers would be no lower than 14. The buyers have to hold 14, no doubt, in order for us to really see this stock continue to go higher. Okay. It has to hold 14. So considering that I don't cover forward on an intraday basis, i.e. every day, I'm going to go ahead and continue to pursue that price is going to continue to go higher, especially off of the weekly charts, the 5-day time frame, especially the monthly, definitely is bullish and forward. I'm just going to keep our support area that the market needs to hold to 14 though. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart and I'll be through. So we're looking no lower than 14. Okay, price breaks 14 bucks and forward to the downside. We need to cancel out all possibility of the market going higher. Okay, but if we hold 14, then it's still a probable chance that the market is going to continue to lift higher. It just won't be that high because the buyers have taken the brunt hit and they would definitely be damaged in terms of where price is going to move higher. Okay. So, first target is going to be 1550, which is 3.4%. And my second target is going to be 1584, which is 5.67. And my third target ultimately is going to be here around 16, which is 6.87%. Now, let me show you all that weekly chart again, zoomed out. And I want to show you that this is very important for this market to really start a bullish trend for it to break above 16. That's why my third target is on that 16 bucks, because the last time we came up here in Ford, which was in August of last year, price completely fell. So we'll see how the market trends over the next couple of days in Ford to see if that market is that bullish to break above 16. Because if that's the case, then just like we were simply running crazy higher back in 2021 and Ford, we may see the actual same type of price action, because all of these traders here, all of these investors, this has been the energy that has been stored to allow that market in Ford to do just that. Okay, so that's it. Done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Ford. Let me know if you guys think price is going to continue to trend higher. If so, give me your targets. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.